Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you? How did you spend your Eid? Did you enjoy well? Thank you very much. Today, I'm going to teach you a listening speaking lesson. And today, we will learn how to make predictions, understand key vocabulary related to the topic at hand today, understand the main idea of a listening text, find out the detail, text organization, and at the end, we will have a speaking task. Is it okay? Yes. All right. Thank you very much. To begin with, I'm going to show you some pictures. You will look at the pictures and in pairs you will discuss what you see in the pictures and what's the connection between them. So what are you going to do? You are going to look at two pictures, then think about what the pictures are about and establish a connection between them. Are you going to work alone or with a friend? With a friend. Okay, let me specify. So you two together, you two, Umar and Abdullah, Anmar and you together, you two, right? You two, and you two together. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, Abdullah, can you explain the task, what we are going to do now?
We will see a picture.
Okay.
And think what is going in the picture.
Okay.
With our friends. And see what the connected about.
With a friend or alone?
With a friend.
Okay. Here we go, guys. How many pictures are there? Two pictures. Picture A and picture B. Okay. It's a pair work. Discuss together. Abdul Majid? Yes. You three together, okay? Discuss. Just discuss together. Very good. Abdullah? What's the connection between them? Problem solution. Okay, guys, may I have your attention? Samir, what do you see in picture A?
Cars and traffic.
Okay. Anything else? Anwar, would you like to add up picture A?
I think this is traffic things. A lot of cars.
Okay. Yes.
There is traffic congestion.
Sorry, say again.
Traffic congestion.
Okay. Congestion. Say again. Everyone, congestion. Congestion. Okay, what do you mean by traffic congestion? Is it when the road is empty?
No.
Free? Is it when
road is full.
when
The car.
there is traffic jam?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Anmar, picture B. What do you see in picture B? What do you see in picture B?
I see that many bicycle and
Okay. All right. Okay. Saeed, would you like to add up some ideas?
people use bicycle.
Okay. Right. People are using
Bicycles.
bicycles. Okay. Yes. Yes, Sarwa.
See that picture B is the solution for the problem.
Excellent idea. Picture B shows the
Solution.
solution to the problem in picture. So what's the problem in picture A? Traffic congestion. Okay. So traffic congestion is picture A. Solution picture B, right? Okay, guys. Now, please check. This lesson will prepare you for your final speaking project as well.
Yes.
What is final speaking project about?
It's
About a problem
problem and solution.
and solution. So I would like to connect this lesson to your final presentation, where you will give a presentation about problem and solution. Right? So from this lesson, you can get some vocabulary items, some linguistic expressions, some sentence structures. So you can use them in your presentation as well.
Yes.
Additionally, you will also check from here how to plan a presentation, because in the listening, you will listen to the presentation, how you can plan, how you can structure the presentation, right? Okay, guys, thank you very much for your participation, my dear students. Now, your book, page number 71. Page number 71. Just a minute. There is okay. Page number 71. Page number 71. My dear students, please check. Read the sentences and understand the meanings of the words in bold. 3 minutes for this activity right now. Do not move to the next part. We'll do it later. At the moment, read the sentences, understand the meanings of the words in bold in the context of this sentence. 3 minutes for this, gentleman. Khalid, get close. Okay, guys, may I have your attention, please? I'm going to explain some important words from here. For example, in number 1, the word is, how many syllables are there? Are you sure? Okay, say it. How many syllables are there? Two. And which one of them is the stress syllable? First one or the second one? The first one, right? Okay, it's a noun. Okay, repeat after me. Injure. 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 Samir? Abdurrahman? Anwar? Ahmad? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, if you injure yourself, does something good happen to your body? Does something bad happen to your body? Where do you go if you get injured? Hospital or a restaurant? Are you sure? Okay. Great. Next is fine. Please remember, in this context, please see, I got a fine for driving through a red light. Okay, I got a fine for driving through a red light. It's not, how are you, I'm fine. Yes. Do you agree with me? Yes. It's something different. Yes. Okay, does something good happen or something bad? Bad. Do you follow the rule and get a fine? No. Do you break the law and get a fine? Yes. Do you pay some money or get some money? Pay. Is it a gift or a punishment? Very good. How many syllables are there? One. Please remember that monosyllabic words are usually stressed. Fine. Okay, the next word is prevent. How many syllables are there? Two syllables. Okay. Okay, where is the stress? The stress is on the second syllable. Please repeat after me. Prevent. 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 Khalid? Ruwayyad? Said? Okay. Please check here. We can prevent accidents. If you want to prevent accidents, do you want to make them happen? No. Do you want to stop them? Yes. Great. The next one is convenient. Okay, guys, how many syllables are there? How many syllables are there? Three syllables. And where is the stress? Second syllable. Okay, repeat after me. Convenient. 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 Okay, if something is convenient, is it easy or difficult? Easy. Everyone, is it easy or difficult? Easy. Easy. Does it save time or waste time? Excellent. Excellent, guys. Thank you very much for your attention, guys. Now, let's move to the next part of this exercise. Read the sentences again and write the correct word with their definition. Okay? So, what are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? Abdurrahman, what are you going to do now?
Go to read the word.
Okay. And write the correct word with the definition. Okay? 3 minutes for this gentleman. Okay, okay, guys. Now, with the person next to you, check your answers. Check your answers with the person next to you. Okay, you three together. You three together, right? You two, you three together, right? You three together, you two, and you two. Please confirm your answers with your partner, please. Confirm the answers with your friend. Yeah? Check with your friend. Khalid, check. Discuss. Yeah? Confirm. Okay, guys, may I have your attention, please? A, what do you think? Very good. B, C, D, E, F, G, prevent, H, all of you have the same answer? Yes. Anyone who has a different answer? No? Okay, great. Thank you very much for your attention, please. Okay, guys, let's move to the next activity now. Exercise number 2. Once again, you will work with a partner, right? Yes. So now I would like to change some seats. Samir, you come here. Anmar, you come here, please. Exchange your seats. Anwar, you come here. Saleh, you come here, please. Change your seats. Yes, please. Abdul Majid, you go back. Khalid, you come here. Now, I would like you to work with a different partner for this activity, for a different partner. Okay, guys. How many questions are there? 3 questions. Will you discuss them individually or with a pair? Individually or with a friend? With a friend. Okay, once again, you two together. You two, right? Majid and Nail. Omar, Abdullah, you two together, right? Two together. 2, you 3 together, and you 3 together, right? Okay, guys, please check what is the focus of question number 1. Please check. In your books, underline what are some of the reasons, please underline reasons of cycling. Number 2, advantages of cycling. Number 3, problems of cycling. These are the keywords. Okay, you are going to discuss 3 questions with your partner. In number 1, what are you going to discuss?
About the reasons.
Reasons of? In number 2? Number 3? Okay. Yes. Mishari, what are you going to do now?
Read question 1, 2, and 3.
And
And
discuss?
discuss with partner.
With a partner. Very well done. 5 minutes for this activity, gentlemen. You may take down notes in your book, in your notebooks. Discuss with your friends. Discuss with the partner, please. Make it you 3 together. Okay. Yeah, Abdullah. You share ideas with them. Three. You three together. Reasons? Aslam? Huh? Season? No, this is reasons. Okay, guys, may I have your attention, please. Anwar. So, what are some of the reasons that people cycle in a big city?
I think one of the reasons is for a solution for traffic
Congestion.
congestion, and it's buying is not very expensive.
Okay, do you all agree with him, guys?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Ruwayyad, what do you think? What are some advantages of cycling to work? Advantages, yes? Nile? Advantages, positive things or negative things? Positive things. Okay, Abdullah?
Don't spend money. Don't spend a lot of money for the cars or for
Okay,
metro.
okay.
And how to say more faster
Faster,
than cars.
okay.
And
Especially in congestion.
yeah, so especially in congestion.
Okay, thank you very much. You can also use the word convenient. Everyone? Convenient. It's easy to move. Okay. Do you all agree with Abdullah? Yes. Okay, very good. Yes, Majid, number 3. What are some problems with cycling?
It's dangerous. Doctor driving can be road or it's not enjoyable and bad weather.
Okay, Majid says in bad weather it's not enjoyable and can be dangerous. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Very well done, guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate your participation. Let's move to the next part of the lesson, next page. I'm going to play the tape. Listen to the tape and try to find out the main idea. So, how many questions are here? Two questions, right? So, both of them will help you find out the main idea of this, tape, of this presentation. Everybody got it? Yes. So, what are you going to do now, Khalid? What are you going to do now? You are going to listen to the tape and find out the main idea of the presentation, right? Okay, before I play the tape, what you need to do?
Read the question.
Why do you read the question before listening?
Understand to get the key.
Very well. Just 2 minutes for reading. Okay, guys, are you ready for listening? Yes. Everyone? Yes. Okay, here we go.
Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. Welcome to the first meeting of Wheels to Work. As you know, the goal of this group is to make our city more bicycle friendly. Specifically, we'd like to make it easier for people to cycle to work. Cycling to work is good for the environment and it provides great exercise. And personally, I think it's a lot of fun. I'm hoping that we can work together to solve the problems which can make it difficult for city residents to cycle to work. Today, I'm going to talk about a few of those problems and share some ideas for solving them. So, the biggest issue is safety. A lot of people would love to cycle to work, but they're scared. They feel that it's just too dangerous. This is because there's a lot of traffic during rush hour, when most people drive to or from work, and there's very little space for cyclists. Many of the cycle lanes we have are too narrow, and some of the busiest streets don't even have cycle lanes. What's more, many drivers don't have respect for cyclists. Cars sometimes even drive in the cycle lanes to pass other cars. Of course, if a car hits a bicycle, it's going to injure or even kill the cyclist. A second issue is storage. Many people don't have a safe place to put their bicycles while they're at work. They worry that if they leave their bicycle outside, it'll get stolen. Also, it'll get wet when it rains and might get damaged over time. A third problem is that, for some people, cycling to work isn't convenient. Maybe they live far from their job, or maybe they sometimes work late and don't want to cycle home in the dark. And a lot of people don't like to cycle in the rain. What if you cycle to work and then later it starts raining? From my own experience, I can tell you that it's pretty terrible to ride home during a storm. So, those are three of the biggest issues: safety, storage, and convenience.
Okay, guys, with a partner, check your answers first. Yes, you three together, you two together. You three, you two. Last one, you three together, right? Check your answers with your front. You three, you two together. Check your answers, please. Discuss, check your answers together. Yeah. Okay. Abdul Majid, share the ideas, check the answers. Yeah. Okay, guys, done? Yes. All right. Okay. So, what is the goal of the Wheels to Work organization? Yes, Abdurrahman?
To help make the city better of bicycle riders and to make it easier for people to ride a bicycle to work.
Okay, great. What do you say, gentlemen? Do you agree with him? Yes. He says to make the city more bicycle friendly. Do you all agree with him? Yes. Do you all have the same answer? Yes. Anyone who has a different answer? Great. Thank you very much. Number two. Yes. Yusuf. Number two. What three issues with cycling to work does the speaker mention? Question number two. Okay, can you guess A? Okay, yeah? Okay, Samir, go ahead.
A is fair, is safety.
Okay, what do you say, gentlemen? Yes. Issue number one is safety. Do you all agree? Yes. Okay, issue number two, yes, Ahmed?
Second issue, it's storage.
Storage. Do you all agree? Yes. Anyone who has a different answer? Okay, very good, excellent. Number C. Yes, Saleh? Convenience. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Anyone who has a different answer? Very well done, gentlemen. So the main idea is that the goal of the Wheels to organization is to make the city more bicycle friendly. And the tape highlights three main problems with cycling. Number one, number two, number three. Excellent, guys. Thank you very much. Let's move to exercise number 4. So this is the first part again. Now here, once again, the speaker is going to explain the problems, right? Yes. Okay. So you are going to listen to the tape again and tick the problems that the speaker mentions, right? So what are you going to do, Abdurrahman?
Take the problems the speaking mentions.
Do you all agree?
Yes.
Yes, Abdullah?
Read the question before.
Yes. 1 minute, read. Read all items. Okay, guys, are you ready for listening?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
3.6. Hello everyone. Thank you for being here today. Welcome to the first meeting of Wheels to Work. As you know, the goal of this group is to make our city more bicycle friendly. Specifically, we'd like to make it easier for people to cycle to work. Cycling to work is good for the environment and it provides great exercise. And personally, I think it's a lot of fun. I'm hoping that we can work together to solve the problems which can make it difficult for city residents to cycle to work. Today, I'm going to talk about a few of those problems and share some ideas for solving them. So, the biggest issue is safety. A lot of people would love to cycle to work, but they're scared. They feel that it's just too dangerous. This is because there's a lot of traffic during rush hour, when most people drive to or from work, and there's very little space for cyclists. Many of the cycle lanes we have are too narrow, and some of the busiest streets don't even have cycle lanes. What's more, many drivers don't have respect for cyclists. Cars sometimes even drive in the cycle lanes to pass other cars. Of course, if a car hits a bicycle, it's going to injure or even kill the cyclist. A second issue is storage. Many people don't have a safe place to put their bicycles while they're at work. They worry that if they leave their bicycle outside, it'll get stolen. Also, it'll get wet when it rains and might get damaged over time. A third problem is that, for some people, cycling to work isn't convenient. Maybe they live far from their job, or maybe they sometimes work late and don't want to cycle home in the dark. And a lot of people don't like to cycle in the rain. What if you cycle to work and then later it starts raining? From my own experience, I can tell you that it's pretty terrible to ride home during a storm. So, those are three of the biggest issues: safety, storage, and convenience.
Okay, guys, check the answers with your friends first. Same partners, check your answers with the partner, please. Mishari, Saeed, discuss, share answers. Anmar, Ahmed, please. Abdul Majid, share the answers. Discuss. Okay, Said. So what do you think? Yeah, which problems has the speaker mentioned? Number? Number number 2. Then number? Everyone, number 4. Then 5, 6, 9, 10. Excellent work, guys. Anyone who has a different answer? All of you have the same answer? Wonderful work, guys. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you this handout, this worksheet. Here are the recommendations. What do you mean by recommendations? For example, we have a problem. We want to solve it, right? So what do you mean by recommendations?
Like a conversation.
The things that
Things that so.
we should do.
Yes.
So like an advice,
Yes.
a suggestion,
Yes. Yes.
or proposal.
Yeah.
Important things to do, right? So here are the recommendations, right? And here are the possible results of the recommendation. A kind of advantage. You will match the recommendation with the correct result, A, B, or C. So on the left hand, on the left hand of the worksheet, what are these? These are recommendations. And what are these? Results. And what are you going to do?
To match.
Match the correct recommendation with the correct result according to the tape. Right? So what are you going to do? Anwar, what are you going to do?
Say recommendation and results and mark points.
Okay. Please read. You two together, share it together. Please read before listening to the tape. Okay, students, are you ready? Are you ready to listen to the tape? Okay, here we go.
2.7. Now, I'd like to share some possible solutions. First, to improve safety, I suggest that police officers give big fines to drivers who break the law by driving in a cycle lane. Also, I'd like to see wider cycle lanes to allow more bicycles to pass at the same time. We should also add cycle lanes to busy streets which don't have them yet. These proposals would prevent cars from hitting cyclists and would save lives. As for the issue of storage, I think that city parking garages ought to create special parking sections for bicycles. This would keep bicycles safe and dry while people are working. Finally, convenience. In my opinion, we should make it easier to take bicycles on public transport. For example, we could put cycle racks on the outside of
Okay, guys, check your answers with your partner, please. Check your answers with your partners, please. Okay, Ahmed Badaghish. Number 1 is done as an example, right? Yes. Okay, there is one recommendation that has 2 answers. Do you know? Yes. Which one?
Number 5.
Very good, very good. Okay, number 2. What's the answer to number 2?
B.
Do you all agree?
Yes. Yes.
Very well done. 2 goes with B. Number 3, Hattan. Yeah? C. Do you all agree, gentlemen? Yes. Anyone who has a different answer? Okay, C. Number 4, Muhammad Wail.
C.
Number 4 goes with C. Do you all agree, gentlemen? Yes. Okay, great. And number 5, yes? And Mar? Yeah? B and C. C. So, had 2 answers. Okay, thank you very much for your active participation, gentlemen. Okay, guys, now from this listening, here is the text organization. Listen to the second part of the presentation again and tick the expressions that you find in the tape. How many total are here? 9. We can use these expressions to introduce recommendations. So listen and tick, right? So Abdurrahman, what are you going to do?
Listen to the sound and take.
Take what? The expressions
Yes.
that are mentioned in the tape. Right, here we go.
3.7. Now, I'd like to share some possible solutions. First, to improve safety, I'd suggest that police officers give big fines to drivers who break the law by driving in a cycle lane. Also, I'd like to see wider cycle lanes to allow more bicycles to pass at the same time. We should also add cycle lanes to busy streets which don't have them yet. These proposals would prevent cars from hitting cyclists and would save lives. As for the issue of storage, I think that city parking garages ought to create special parking sections for bicycles. This would keep bicycles safe and dry while people are working. Finally, convenience. In my opinion, we should make it easier to take bicycles on public transport. For example, we could put cycle racks on the outside of buses. That way, people wouldn't have to cycle at night or in bad weather. And people who live far from work could cycle part of the way to work and take public transport the rest of the way. As a result, more people could cycle to work. Well, thank you again for listening to my ideas. I hope this is the beginning of a conversation about how we can make this a great city for cyclists.
Okay, well done. Yes, Saeed. So, which expressions have been mentioned? Yeah? Number 1. Very good. I would suggest that. Next one. Yes, Saleh? Number? Once again? Number 3. Number 3. Do you all agree, gentlemen? Yes. After that? After that? Number 5. We should. After that, number 7. They ought to. And after that, number 8. In my opinion, we should. So guys, as a matter of fact, you can introduce recommendation using these expressions. These are not the only ones that you can use. You can use all of them to introduce the recommendations, right? Okay, now please check how we can use them in sentences. We can use them in sentences. I would like it if, I think it would be better if we had wider cycle lanes, right? So these are the highlighted expressions that you can use to introduce the recommendations, right? Okay, guys, now it's time for the group work. It's time for the group work now. So I would like to divide you into first groups, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are group number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are group number 3. And Mashari, Saeed, and Abdullah, Samir, Yusuf. You are group number 5. Okay? So, guys, in your groups, right? Here, Hattan is the group leader. In group number 2, Abdurrahman is the group leader. In number 3, Anmar is the group leader. And in number 4, Abdullah is the group leader, right? Okay, what you are going to discuss in your group is discuss the advantages and disadvantages of cycling in your city. Give recommendations to encourage more cycling in your city, right? Okay, group A, come here. Quickly, please, come here. Stand here. Group A. Quickly, please. Group 1, come here. Yes. Group 2, come here. Group 1, come here quickly. Yellows. Group 2, come here. Group 2, come here. Group 3, come here. Group 4, you come here. Yellows. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. Advantages and disadvantages of cycling in your city, and give recommendations to encourage more cycling in your city. Discuss, share ideas together. Advantages and disadvantages. Yeah, suggestions to improve. Yeah. Suggestions to improve. Please, guys. Yes, please. Yeah. Advantages, disadvantages, and recommendations to improve. Come here, Abdul Majid. Yes, please. Share ideas. Yeah. Yeah, yes, yes.
This picture.
Yes, yes, that's fine. Yeah, 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 yeah. But don't worry about the picture. Discuss the ideas. Discuss, share ideas together. Okay. Huh? Okay, guys, 2 more minutes now for discussion.
One more time.
Okay, guys, I would like to stop you here. Please go back to your seats. Only group leaders will stay here. Group leaders would stay here. All of you, please get back to your seats. All of you, get back to your seats. Only group leaders will stay here. And Mark. Okay. Okay. Please listen to, all of you, please listen to your group leaders. Hattan, so what are the advantages that you have discussed with your friends? Advantages of cycling.
It helps them stay fit and avoid crowded buses.
Very well done. Very well done. Yes, please. Advantages.
It's easy for traveling and it's healthy and make exercise.
Okay. But use these expressions as well. I would suggest that. I would like, okay, this is the recommendation part. So disadvantages, Abdurrahman.
Yes, it's help people for healthy.
Okay. Disadvantages, the negative things.
Negative thing.
Disadvantages of cycling.
It's not safety and dangerous.
Not, just see, not safe, well, not safety. What do you think? Which one is correct? Safe. Safe. This one is correct. Okay, thank you very much. Abdullah, what recommendations would you like to make more cycling in your city? Use these expressions.
I would suggest that make more lines for cycling.
Okay.
And I would like to see like
Wider lanes.
Wider lines, yes.
Lanes. Okay.
And also we should have
Special
lines for cycling.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best of luck, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yep. Okay, so from this lesson, Anmar, sit down, please. From this lesson, the feed forward is this lesson can help you prepare for the final speaking project, final presentation, right? You can use this language from this lesson as well, right?
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.